A drink without chakna is homework. A drink with chakna is a table everyone wants to stay at.
Chakna is not one dish. It is the shared Indian bar snack spread. Salty, spicy, crunchy, fresh, hot, and made for passing around.
Food, water, and a slower sip can make an evening more comfortable. Nothing here is medical advice, and every adult should pace alcohol responsibly.
Start with the zero-cook winners: masala peanuts, roasted chana, Bombay mix, and masala kaju.
Masala peanuts bring chili, chaat masala, lime, onion, and green chili. Roasted chana keeps the crunch lighter. Bombay mix is a bowl that disappears first. Papad and masala papad need almost no prep. Add onion, tomato, coriander, chili, chaat masala, and lime at the table so the papad stays crisp.
For a fresh reset, make kachumber with onion, cucumber, tomato, salt, chili, and lime. Sirka pyaz adds that sharp pink crunch. When you want something hot, onion pakoda delivers lacy edges and a soft, sweet center. A little rice flour helps the crunch. Paneer tikka is the vegetarian centerpiece: hung curd, tandoori spices, high heat, charred edges, and a lemony finish. Gobi 65 brings red gold cauliflower, curry leaves, and green chili. Honey chili potato goes sweeter with a sticky glaze and sesame.
For non-veg classics, chicken tikka, chicken 65, tandoori wings, seekh kebab, amritsari fish, and egg chakna cover smoky, fried, grilled, and quick.
Street-style choices keep the table moving: prawns Koliwada, dry chili chicken, masala popcorn, and peri-peri fries with chaat masala. Choose by the glass. Whiskey loves char and smoke. Beer wants salt and crunch. Gin and light cocktails prefer fresh, citrusy bites. Rum likes sweet heat, from honey chili potato to caramelized cashews. Zero-proof sessions deserve the same full spread. The unwritten rules are simple. Chakna is shared. Wet snacks get their own plate. There is never enough papad, and the last piece belongs to the guest. Pick one bowl, one hot plate, and one fresh bite. Then add water and take your time. Find the full 22 snack guide at ManvsDrinks and subscribe for the next table idea.